Hey, this is your boy Khumiso Mmusi. I'm back again to deliver what you guys want. Please vote for me. Thank you. The song that I'll be doing is Beyonce 1+1. If I ain't got nothing, I got you. If I ain't got something, I don't give a damn, 'cause I got it with you. I don't know much about algebra, but I know 1+1=2. And it's me and you. That's all we'll have when the world is through. 'Cause baby, we ain't got nothing without love. And darling, you've got enough for the both of us. So come on, baby, make love to me. And when my world's at war and your love heal us all. Right now, baby, make love to me. Me. Hey, I don't know much about guns, but I've been shot by you. Hey, I don't know when I'm gonna die, but I hope that I'm gonna die by you. Hey, I don't know much about fighting, but I know I'll fight for you. Yeah, and that's when I'll ball on my fist to realize I'm laying right next to you, baby. We ain't got nothing but love. And darling, you've got enough for the both of us. Who know, make love to me when my days look low. Pull me in close and don't let me go. Make love to me. And when my world's at war and your love heal us all. Right now, baby, make love to me. Me. Thank you.